In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a book using Google Docs. This guide will walk you through each step of the way, from setting up your document to designing a cover, ensuring a professional and polished end result. First, let's start by opening Google Docs. Simply head over to docs.google.com and click on Blank Document. You should see a fresh page in front of you, complete with a blinking cursor, ready for your creativity to flow. Now, we need to set up the page layout, crucial for crafting a document that mirrors the format of a real book. Click on File in the top menu, then head down to Page Setup. Here, you'll have choices for page size. Typically, you can choose A4 or opt for something like 6 by 9 inches if you're gearing up for paperback printing. Set the margins to around 1 inch as this is the standard. Ensuring that your pages have a book-like format will aid readability and provide a clean, professional look. Next up is creating a title page. Center the text on this page and add your book title, a subtitle if you have one, and your author name. To make it visually appealing, use larger fonts, perhaps 24 pt for the title and around 14 pt for your name. This will immediately give a professional appearance to your document. With the title page done, it's time to add chapters to your book. Start by typing Chapter 1. Highlight the text and apply Heading 1 from the Styles drop-down menu. Repeat this process for each new chapter you start. This step is essential because it will allow you to auto-generate a table of contents later on. Once your chapter structure is in place, dive into writing your content. Simply start typing the text of your story or non-fiction work. For subheadings within chapters, use Heading 2 to create a neat hierarchy. Be sure to use Insert and then Page Break between chapters to maintain a clean division. Let's move on to make your text readable by formatting it appropriately. Choose a classic book font like Times New Roman at 12 pt. This is easy on the eyes and suitable for book publishing. Set the line spacing to either 1.15 or 1.5 depending on your preference, and justify the text so the left and right edges align neatly. This step ensures your text resembles that of a printed book. To insert a table of contents, place your cursor where you want it to appear. Navigate to Insert and then Table of Contents. You'll have the option to select with or without page numbers. This will automatically populate based on the headings you set up. And yes, you can even design a book cover in Google Docs. Insert a new page at the start by clicking Insert, then Drawing and New. Here you can add shapes, images, and text to craft your cover. Once satisfied, save and position this as the first page of your document. Finally, when your book is complete, you'll want to save and export it. Go to File, click on Download, and choose the PDF format. This version can be printed or shared online, and once you open it, you'll see your book complete with its custom cover. Congratulations! You've just created a book using Google Docs from start to finish.